Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a sleep timer on Windows 10 so you can manage when your computer goes to sleep and save power. Step 1. Press the Windows button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select the Settings option. Settings is where you control most of your system preferences and is the starting point for adjusting your sleep timer. Step 2. Click on System in the Settings window. The System section contains important options for display, notifications, power, and battery, which are essential for configuring sleep settings. Step 3. Go to Power and Battery. This area allows you to control how your device uses energy and helps extend battery life while managing sleep behavior. Step 4. Find the Screen and Sleep section. Here you can see all the options related to when your screen turns off and when your device goes to sleep automatically. Step 5. Adjust Turn off my screen after for both on battery and plugged in according to your preference. This controls how long your device waits before turning off the display to save energy. Step 6. Adjust Put my device to sleep after for both on battery and plugged in according to your preference. This sets how long your computer stays idle before entering sleep mode, which is useful for preserving battery and improving efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.